5x plus 7y equal to 1 and ax plus by equals 1. In the given pair of equations, a and b are the constants. The graph of this pair of equation in the xy plane is a pair of perpendicular lines. Okay, means these two are perpendicular lines. Which of the following pair of equation also represent a pair of perpendicular lines? Okay, so we know that in case of perpendicular lines, the product of the slope should be equal to -1, right? So what is the slope in this line? If we consider here, you rewrite this, okay, in slope intercept form. So we can write this as y equals -5/7 times x plus 1/7. So the slope of the first one is -5/7. For the second line, if you see in the slope intercept form, if we write, so y will be equal to -a/b times x plus 1/b, right? And we know that in case of perpendicular lines, the product of the slope should be equal to -1. So -5/7 times -a/b, that equals -1. Now minus minus will become plus. So if you see, it will be 5a equal to -7b, or 5a plus 7b equal to 0. 5a plus 7b, that equals 0. Now in which of these following equations we are also getting the same thing, right? It means that we must get 5a plus 7b, that should be equal to 0, right? 5a plus 7b. Now if you check this, see 5a, can you see this coefficient 5a plus 7b, right? So where we are getting in the same thing, so 5a plus 7b should be equal to 0. So 5a here, it is -7b, right? So which one is 5a plus 7b? So if you do here, or better, you can calculate the slope of each one and then calculate. Okay, so if we get 5a plus 7b equals 0, then that will be the correct answer. Okay, here what is the slope? -10/7, and this is so -10/7, and here we have a slope of a/2b times a/2b, right? So this is 5a/7b, so that should be equal to -1, right? And we know that 5a equal to -7b, right? So 5a equal to -7b, or this 7b will be -5a. So can you say it is getting 1, and we have to get -1? So this cannot be the correct option. Now if you see this a and c option, okay, they are looking similar, only they have changed in the sign. Now if we consider option number b, what is the slope of this line? That is -10/7, right, multiplied by -a/2b, right? -a/2b. Are we getting -1? We will check. So minus minus, it will become plus, and 2 times 5, that is 10. So 5a/7b, we are getting 5a/7b. And here if you see 5a equal to -7b, so you can write as -7b over -7/7b, and that gives you -1. It means the product of slope is equal to -1. So these are the two required lines.